like now I remember this is part 3 with the puppet. This is the first one. This is the after one I done. He finally got off of Lefty, and then he got all broken because of the fire. The backstory is that you can see he have a hat. This is like the old one. This is the newer one I made. His leg got putus, and you see the VRL parts of him. I just cut off those parts because he's really skinny, not chunky like the other ones. I put Lefty's hat on him. He still the same face because I just figured out don't choose the face. Like here the arm that put the wires are coming out. I use it for mangle. The I put like the ball. You can see a little bit of this part of him is now line up because I can now line it up that like, but I look far away. Here it looks like it's perfect. I use the other parts of the endoskeleton VR version. And now you like this, subscribe. But now you don't like it, it's okay, you cannot subscribe. It's your it's your option. I want to subscribe to my channel or not. Your decision. I want to reach to 100 subscribers. Please, that's my dream to be. Now you like this, like the video and subscribe. But I don't like it, don't like or subscribe. It's okay. I don't feel bad. And bye.